Good morning, traders. Welcome to MST School of Trading. So today we are going to release a demo video on our advanced MST ICO 2.0 indicator. Actually, this is not an indicator. This is the price action based tool. So why we are using the word indicator? Because most of the people will understand indicator. So that is why we are using the word indicator, but actually it indicates the levels. It indicates the support and resistance. It indicates from where the market will reverse. It indicates till what level it will go. What is the maximum low? What is the maximum high? So everything it will show you. So that is why this is the very good and it is a very leading indicator in the market. This is not a lagging indicator like other indicators what is already available in the market. So here, so though we are supposed to give only 4 lines in this indicator to keep it as simple as possible, we kept it. We kept only first buy entry, second sell entry, first sell entry, second buy entry. That's all. In this 4 line itself, we could have traded without any confusion. But we wanted to help the people. No, there are different varieties of people who will understand any different terminology. Some people they will understand only if you give in detailed manner. Some people will understand even if you are giving if you are telling some 20%, they will make it to 100%. So since it is a common platform, so we have made it in such a way that we have just elaborated it. So we have given the content like first buy entry, then first sell entry. So by default, it will be enabled. Then first buy targets, then first sell targets. Then second buy targets, then second sell targets. Then second buy, then first buy SL, then first sell SL, then second buy SL and second sell SL. So there are 14 to 15 points. First one I paid by default, these two will be enabled. One, first buy SL and first sell S, first buy entry and first sell entry. Then we have to enable once buy or sell is activated. See here, I will show you the example of yesterday. So now what happened in the morning at 9:35, we will be enabling the indicator either in 3 minutes or 5 minutes or 1 minute or 15 minutes. So whichever time frame you want to follow, that you can follow, no issue. If you want to follow 3 minutes, keep following only in 3 minutes. If you want to follow in 5 minutes, you can follow in 5 minutes, right? So now I have kept in the 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 3 minutes. So now we have to wait for the market to reach either this level first or this level first. Now what is the value? 4652. 4652 is the entry. See the low. It is also exactly 4652. So we got the entry exactly at 4652. Now we have to go back here to our indicator. Then remove the first sell. Then enable the first buy targets. Immediately you can enable second sell also. Second sell and second sell targets. Why I am asking to enable the second sell here? Because we don't know whether market will give exactly targets or not. If market is giving exactly targets, our task is done, our trade is over, we book the profit and we can come out of the market. Suppose if it is not going to our target level, then we have to be ready with the second entry, and this will be our second entry. Second sell we have to be ready, and second sell is the entry point as well as it is a sell point of the first buy. See here we have given separately also. If I enable first buy SL, what will be the first buy SL? See here, first buy SL 4614 and second sell entry also 4614. So if we give this separately, if we give this together, then there will be overlapping. There will not be any clarity on the chart. That is why we have given separately. If we are given together, it will be a overlapping process. That is why if you don't know how to enable second sell immediately after first buy, then enable first buy, then remove the second buy and enable only first buy SL. Now it is clear for you. If first buy target hits, your trade over, exit the trade and enjoy. If first buy SL hit, then you can take the reverse entry or book the loss and take the rest. Fortunately, yesterday what happened? Exactly our first buy triggered and we got the first target and it has given a small retracement. It did not touch our buy entry point. Then again it has reached the second target. Small retracement, again small high, then small retracement. It has taken the support from here. Then it has given the third target also. Okay, now it is nearing to other targets. Now by the time the second buy would have activated after three targets in the first buy, so we can expect the second buy also will be activated. So what we are telling, once you got the first target, if you are a safe trader, exit from the market. Or if you have good capital and if you want to make good profit from the market, then take three lots in the initially at 4652, book the first lot at the first target and revise your stop loss to cost. Now the stop loss is safe. Now book the second lot here and revise the stop loss to cost. Again our stop loss is safe. Then book the third lot here and exit from the market. If you want to wait for the fourth target, then again revise the stop loss here and book the fourth target. It is up to you. Even if you are trading in one lot and booking at the first profit, monthly you will get minimum 200 points to 400 points in a single lot after recovering losses if any. So this is what our strategy is designed with. Okay, it is very simple, easy to understand. Nothing is complex. Once again I repeat, in the morning at 9:35 you have to enable first buy and first sell. So like this. Okay, by default there will be a first sell and first buy. Now whichever side market comes first, then that side you have to take the entry. So yesterday we have got the entry at 4652, that is a buy entry exactly. Now we have to remove the first sell. Then enable the first buy targets. Also enable first buy SL. Over. Now since all the targets are achieved, our that day trade was excellent trade. So it was a very perfect trade. That's all. If we similarly, if sell activated, then we have to be in the sell trend. So I will show you one more example. For silver, I will show you. See in the silver, what happened? I will reset to the default settings first. So now you can tell me what had happened in the previous day. So this is our sell entry and this is our buy entry. Where the market has reached first it has reached the first buy entry. Now we have to cancel the sell entry. Then enable the first buy targets and enable the first buy SL. Okay. Now you see it did not move any points down after activating our first entry. So immediately our target given. Then there is a retracement. See here our revised stop loss is here for our remaining targets, but it not even came to our first target. Then it has picked up to upside. So second target also achieved from 70,135 to 70,300 something, 71,460. Okay, almost we have got 1,300 points profit yesterday in silver alone. Even if you have taken one micro, then you could have booked some 1,300 profit, 1,300 points per lot. If you have taken silver, so for 1 point it is 30 rupees, then you can calculate what will be the profit. Okay, so this is how our strategy works. It is very simple, easy to understand. So if you want me to show some other example for sell entry, then I will share one more thing I want to tell you. See here, since it is giving exact entry here, sometime 1 or 2 days we may miss the entry. So that day what we have to do, we have to consider 300 rupees extra risk. 300 rupees extra risk. Suppose if you are trading in crude oil, then you can suppose 4652 was our yesterday entry. If you did not get 4652 entry, suppose it has reached 4653, 4654, in that case you can revise the entry point 3 points plus, which means 4652 plus 3, 4655 will be your entry. In such cases you can increase the targets by 3 points. So 300 rupees you are taking extra risk and 300 rupees target you are keeping extra. That's all. Okay, the same thing you can follow for everything. For natural gas, Nifty, Bank Nifty, for everything you can keep 300 rupees extra risk. That we are telling. If you are a risky trader, you can keep how much of points you want. But SL, there will be a same SL. In SL, there will not be any changes. Okay. Suppose if SL hit here, then you have to take 2 lot in the second entry. That is in the second cell. Then book the first target. So if you are booking at first target, you will be getting profit for the day after recovering the loss. After recovering your loss, you will be getting profit. Okay, this is the our procedure. Same thing you can follow in everything. Whatever is the market, you can follow. See in the Nifty, first buy activated. Now we have to enable the first buy targets. See exactly our targets achieved. Exactly. Perfect. Exactly buy entry and exactly target. No changes. And market has moved only between this our range. So this is the high and this is the low. So not only this, there are many days it has happened like this. So it will happen like this. This is the market psychology, what you have identified, what you have given in this indicator. Hope it is clear. And another thing we have given, the time frame, multi-time frame we have given. How to use this multi-time frame? That you can contact us. We will teach you personally how to use this multi-time frame. By default, don't do any changes. Just if you change anything in the indicator, go here and do reset settings. Then we have given moving average. If you want to add moving average, then you can add either EMA or SMA or WMA or SWMA or BWMA, anything whichever you want you can add. And here you can choose the select source, right, for computing the moving averages. Then we have given the values, whichever length you want to add you can add. Then we have given the VWAP. So VWAP also you can add if you want. So hope it is clear, there is no doubt. Very simple. First what you have to do, if there will be 4 lines, this is the first buy, this is the first sell, this is the first buy. If sell activated, cancel the buy. If buy activated, cancel the buy. So whichever side market triggered first, you have to be in that trade, in that side only. Okay, only if SL hit, then you have to take the reverse entry. If first buy SL hit, go for the second sell. If first sell SL hit, go for the second buy. That's all. Book the first target at the first lot. Revise the stop loss to cost, then wait for the second lot, third lot, and so on. And if you are a safe trader and a small investor, take 1 lot, book the profit at the first target, exit. And if suppose SL hit, take the reverse entry double lot and book the profit at the first lot and exit. And if you have a good profit, take 3 lot initially and keep revising the stop loss after hitting the each and every one target. That's all, dears. It's very simple, very easiest concept. You don't need any knowledge about the market. If you know just how to place the orders, that is enough. Nothing more is required. Don't apply any of your knowledge in this indicator, in this price action based indicator. Everything, whatever you required, we have given in this indicator. Whatever you want. Everything, whatever a price action trader would be requiring, we have given here. So you don't need anything else extra, right? That you can follow here. So we have made it very simple. So you can enjoy this. And if you want, I can show you some other what else we have. And natural gas also we have. I will show you what happened in the natural gas. So now see, the low of this market is 217.5 and our entry point is 217.4, which means what? There is a difference of 10 points. What I said, if there is 300 rupees difference, then you can take the entry. So if you have taken at 217.17, then let us see, then we have to remove the first sell, then we have to enable the first buy targets and first buy SL. So here buy activated, first target done and second target exactly done. See the perfection. See this perfection. Exactly done. Not even 10 paisa is missed here. It has reached 10 paisa extra. So the high made was, what is the high? I'll show you the high of this market, 221, and our target is 220.9. So here in the entry we missed with the 10 points. That 10 paisa we have given here in the target. Here in the entry we have missed with the 10 paisa. That extra 10 paisa we got it in the target. So exactly our target done, two targets done in natural gas. Suppose if you had waited and if you have forgotten, no, if you are not much watching the market, then let us see what had happened. First sell entry and first buy targets. See here, first sell activated, here activated, it has reached, and high was 221, but our stop loss is 221.10. Again we are saved with the 10 paisa. The stop loss is saved, first target and second target. So both in first buy we got two targets and first sell we got two targets. But actually buy is activated, so we should be in buy, right? Suppose if you have taken a bracket order in the morning after 9:35 and you went to your job. So now by this time what would happen? Only sell will be activated here and buy will not be activated, and your target will be achieved and your SL is safe. Okay, so whatever be the condition of the market, you don't have to worry, just to follow the indicator with discipline, and every day you trade to get minimum 20% to 40% profit in a month on your investment. So whatever amount you have invested, for that only you have to expect the profit. So now for the copper I am enabling. See here, buy activated, sell not activated. So now I have to disable the sell. Now I have to first buy targets and first buy SL. Right. Now what happened? First buy activated, first target. It has come down, but our entry point, revised stop loss not hit. Again first target hit, then it has reached almost second target, then it has fallen. Now the stop loss is safe, and we have got some, how many points we have got? From 770 to 781. 770 to 781. 11 points we have got the profit. 781.80. 11 points we have got the profit. For one lot it is 2500. For 10 lot it is 25,000, and 11 point it is 27,500 rupees profit. It is so simple, it is very easy to follow, so you can follow this. Then I will show you for the nickel. So yesterday nickel, what happened? First buy only got activated, then it has reached almost the stop loss, but the stop loss is safe. Then immediately has returned, first target done, range bound market. It has taken support from the first target, second target done, then it has taken support from the second target, then again third target done. See here, exactly our third targets done. How many points you have got? 1272, 1304. So 34.7 points you have got. 34.7 plus 30, 35 points you have got. For one lot it is 1500 rupees. For 10 lot it is 15,000 rupees. For 30 points it is 45,000 rupees. Plus 5 points it is 7,500 rupees. 52,500 rupees you got profit in a nickel trade alone. So we have seen crude oil, we have seen Nifty, we have seen what it is, natural gas, we have seen copper, we have seen nickel also. Bank Nifty also, if you want to see, you can see. That is Bank Nifty. This is Bank Nifty. So what happened? Either first buy activated or first sell activated. First we have to see. So now you can tell me first sell not activated, first buy only activated. Now we have to enable the first buy targets and first buy SL. Now what happened? SL not hit, but market has given only some small movement after the entry. We got some 200 points profit. For 330 to 430. From 400 points only we got the profit. If you are an option trader, you could have got some 100 plus points profit. If you are a Bank Nifty futures trader, you got some 2,500 rupees only profit on that day, because market did not have the movement. Okay, So this is about the indicator. It is very simple to use. Just understand there are only 4 points. One is enable first buy and first sell. If first buy target hit, if first buy activated, cancel the first sell. If first sell activated, cancel the first buy and be in the trend. If first buy SL hit, go for the reverse entry, that is the second sell. If first sell SL hit, go for the second entry, that is the second buy. That's all. Very simple, very easy to understand. There is no confusion after the entry or before the entry or after the profit or after the loss. So you know in advance what to do. Market will behave according to your levels. Okay, don't worry. But every day trade, 1 or 2 days you will get a loss. We are not telling you will get 100% profit. We are telling you will get some decent profit. Right? Again, we are not SEBI registered. We are not responsible for any of your loss. So before you take trade, consult your financial advisor. And for any stock related training on price action or advanced options trading or for the indicator subscription, you can contact us. The contact details are given in the description, and we have given the link for the YouTube channel. You can join, you can like, share, subscribe, and you can show your support. And we have given free Telegram channel also, that also you can join. So please help the people who are in loss by taking wrong trades in the market to our channel, so that they will understand the market and they also will make some profit. Is it clear? Thank you all. All the best. Wish you all a happy, profitable trades ahead.